Can you see me, class? Can you see me?
Yes, yes, we can see.
Okay, okay. So I can see you are in class. So I want us to begin, but maybe before that, let me take the roll call. So, Kipkirui Bernard,
Present.
Gideon Ngetich,
Present.
Kiprotich Ann.
Present.
Okay, thank you. I want us to begin
Present.
our session today, and we shall be looking at leveling. So, we are going to go straight to introduction to leveling, and I'll be your trainer, Mr. Kano. I'll be taking you through leveling, that survey works. I'll be taking you through survey works. So let's go straight to the learning outcomes. Let's look at the learning outcomes. So by the end of this session, you should be able to define the term leveling, identify all leveling equipment and their uses. You should be able to explain why leveling is carried out. So let's go to the definition of terms. So class, what is leveling? What is leveling? Can someone answer that question?
Leveling is a process to determine the vertical position of different points below or on or above the ground.
Okay, thank you, Bernard. Can you clap for Bernard? Thank you. So it is, as he has put, it is the process to determine the vertical position of different points below or above the ground. So also there's another term, the datum level. What's a datum level? Class, can someone answer what a datum level is? What's a datum level?
Okay, a level is an arbitrary horizontal plane on a construction project used as a reference point for all other vertical dimensions to be measured.
Okay, thank you. Can you clap for her? So it is, as she has said, it's an arbitrary horizontal plane on a construction project used as a reference point for all other vertical dimension to be measured. And then what about a benchmark? What's a benchmark? What do you think a benchmark is? Someone?
Benchmark is a post or other parameter established at known elevation that is used as the basis for measuring the elevation of other topographical points.
Okay, can you clap for Gideon? That's very good. It's a position on other permanent mark established at a known elevation that is used as the basis for measuring the elevation of other topographical points. Thank you. So let's look at the leveling equipment and their uses. What equipments do you know that we use in leveling? What type of equipment?
We have dummy
Dumbbell
level,
level.
Okay, so
automatic
we have,
level,
yes.
we have the automatic level,
Okay. Okay.
We
Thank you.
have the
Can you?
optical instrument.
Okay. Thank you. So we have a dumpy level, and it's a leveling instrument also that is used in leveling, used to establish or verify points in the same horizontal plane. Uh, where do we use these survey instruments? Okay, maybe I give you where we use these survey instruments. So these survey instruments are mostly used in land surveying, quantity surveying, topographical surveying, hydrographic surveying, and mine surveying. We talked about the auto level, that is the dumping level. It's used to measure horizontal and vertical angles. And then we have a theodolite, which is a precision instrument for measuring angles in the horizontal and vertical planes. Right? We also have another one, the GPS. So this one is a space-based satellite navigation system that provides location and time information in all weather conditions, anywhere on or near the Earth, where there is an obstructed line of sight for 4 or more GPS satellites. That's about the GBS. Let's look at the optical square. The optical square uses a pentaprism to reflect and refract a beam or sighting 90 degrees. It's used in pairs in surveying and in a singular block in metrology. So maybe before we come to the end of our session today, let's do some review. What did you learn? What have you been able to learn, class? Yes? Yes? Yes, class?
We have learned
we have
about
learned about
leveling.
leveling.
Learned about leveling. Yes. What about leveling?
Leveling is a process to determine the vertical positions of different points below, on, or above the ground.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. So maybe before we come to the end, I would like to leave you with an assignment. I want you to draw and label a dumpy level. I'll take it in our next lesson.